Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be learning an easy cake pop recipe. So let's go ahead and tune into this hands-on video. So as you can see here, I'm using Duncan Hines cake mix, and I am going to be using 4 eggs instead of 3 as it says on the box, and I'm going to be using milk instead of water. Please do not forget your butter spray. Once your cake is done baking, go ahead and add it in your mixer. Make sure you're doing it while it's still hot, like fresh out the oven hot. So as you can see, I'm adding in 1 spoonful of icing. You really don't need that much because the steam is going to help it create that like doughy texture for the cake pop. You'll see. I did get this cake pop tool off Amazon, and I'll put the link down below. It is very helpful. Go ahead and let your dough cool down. So here is the hard part. It took me a while to get this part down, but I'm just gonna like show you quickly because it is like hard. It takes practice for this, y'all. Practice. So this has nothing to do with cake pops. I know. I just wanted to show y'all the dipping process. On to the cake pops. Okay, here we go. You really have to beat that cake pop, y'all. Like, you gotta get all that excess off. You have to beat it. Here are my beautiful cake pops. It is Halloween time, so I went ahead and did some mummies. If you would like to see how I decorate these beautiful babies, let me know. This was just the recipe, so keep that in mind. Thank y'all for tuning into my video. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.